This is getting way out of hand. Okay, if you do not know what in the world I'm saying is that the echoes are very good, but apart from that, I literally have some assignment that I have to do called High Rise, design and make a building with multiple floors using any materials you are available. Okay, do I look like some Imagineer coming from Disney.com? No, I am not anything apart from that. So if you're expecting me to create a building that has the best Jenga blocks, that has the domino blocks, you will be absolutely incorrect. Okay, let's just get on to the show. Okay, here's a complete 10-second video of me being a complete lunatic while trying to build this thing. I hope you like it because it's gonna end like in a few seconds. Okay, I'm just gonna end the video already. Okay, if you didn't understand a single thing that I was just doing, I basically was doing a sample tower, and a sample tower for me is a way that you can like build a tower easily, and those instead of those 2x2s that suck. See, this is not a tower. Now this is a better tower if you believe me. Okay, here's a more simplified manner. These, with the way that I control these are how the structure is supposed to be supported, and see, the support is already being supported because I'm already good at building, so no explanation. Part 2 coming soon. Okay, now this is part 2 where I basically build the outside of it, and if you did not know what I'm trying to build right now, well, just wait like a few more seconds. So yeah, I might have improvised and literally made some weird structure that looks like it's from the military, but guess what? It's not from the military. That's all the people that got the coronavirus. You surprised now? Okay, so I may use some classic dominoes, no one cares about that, and I also use normal dominoes. And these are supposed to represent the walls because basically it's the most dangerous location in the entire world, logically, and yeah. Okay, so I might have improvised on making a bigger structure, but who cares? And yeah, that's pretty much it. Goodbye, guys.